Oh, hey, wait a second. Am I at a pool hall? Where am I at? Oh shit, I see a payphone. A payphone. Another payphone. Well, I'll be damned. I'm at a pool shop. Should I play? No, I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna go play pool. Yeah, I'm gonna play pool. Should I play pool? Should I go old school and play a game? Oh shoot, I got business to attend. Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. Like I said last night before on Uncle Ducky Show, you have 1 week. Next Tuesday, 7 p.m. Comcast 57, Fios 27. You call from a payphone. Call from a payphone. The number is, there we go. Hold on, got this right. The number is 4222-3902. Hold on. Hey, what's up, guys? You guys ready? 1 week. 1 week to perform two great songs. Oh yeah, Rye Guy. Oh yeah, D. Yeah. All right, see you guys there. Like I said, you can call payphone. They're ready. I'm ready. The question is, are you ready? I have no time for games. I gotta head out to the studio. See you later.